How much hair loss is normal in a day?
So the average amount of hair we lose in a day really does depend on the person. Typically, you'll read that it's anywhere from 50 to 100 hairs per day. But again, someone could have 38 hairs that they lose in a day. So if someone's losing 38 or 40 and now they're losing 80, that actually is a problem because you've doubled the amount of hair you've lost. So hair shedding is very difficult to say that it's one size fits all, but on average, we have about 100,000 hairs on our head. And on average, anywhere from 8 to 10, maybe even 12% of our hairs are going to leave every day. The reason why is the hairs you see today were not there a few years ago. The average hair cycle is anywhere from 2 to 6 or 2 to 7 years. So that's why you're going to start to see hair shedding every day. Thankfully, our hair seeds were not born on the same day. If that was the case, every 2 to 6 or 7 years, all the hairs would fall out and we would have to wait 3 to 4 months for them to return. So think of hairs as having asynchronous birthdays. They're born on different dates. That's why we lose only a small amount per day. What I often see is when people start to notice that they're losing their hair more, they start washing their hair less. They somehow believe that the manual manipulation with their hands is what's pulling their hair out. Guys, your hair has the strength of 2 elephants. You're not pulling your hair out. You're having your standard shedding, but if you actually have a hair loss disorder, it is going to disrupt that cycle where instead of only 8 to 10 or so % of your hair shedding every day, that number can continue to climb. That is when it's time to go see a doctor.